Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options, let's say, which we can customize. So first of all, we can decide if we want to use the 24-hour format or 12-hour format. So currently we've got the 24-hour. If you'd like to use 12-hour, just tap on the switcher. What's more, currently we've got the date, time and time zones set automatically, so they are network based. And if you'd like to set them manually, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see, the date will and time will appear, and right now just by swiping you can pick the date you want to use. The time also, tap on OK. Here we've got the time zone, so we can enter it, and as you can see we will be transferred to the full list of all the time zones. So just find the one you'd like to use and tap on it. So let me pick this one, and as you can see it has been applied. And what's more, we can decide if we want to use the dual clocks. So simply it means that we will have two different clocks. The one will display the hour, the time from the place in which you're currently in, and the second one may be, for example, your hometown clock, and it will simply display the time in the other place in the world of your choice, of course. It's up to you. If you want to use it, you can turn it on or off here, and you can set the home city. So basically this is how to customize the date and time. Of course you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers again. So actually that's all. This is how to change date and time in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.